Hello, 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 humanity. Back once again. I wanted to share a recipe real quickly with you that I prepared yesterday. It came out good. The cooking time was short, and of course the ingredients were affordable. Real quickly. All I used was I used a fourth a cup of I used a can of chickpeas, washed and mashed. And if you put them in your blender, they're going to pulse. You don't want them into a mixture that looks like a pancake mix or anything like that. So you're just barely going to pulse them, or if you put them on a plate, take a fork and just mash them all up. You pour that in a bowl. 1/4 cup of pecan flour, 2 tablespoons of oat flour, 1 tablespoon of 2 tablespoons. I'm sorry, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of 2 tablespoons. I'm sorry, of paprika, 2 packets of your chicken bouillon powder. You're going to use 2 packets, and you're going to use 1 tablespoon of onion soup mix. You're going to use 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 1/4 cup of chopped bell pepper, 1/4 cup of chopped celery. You're going to blend all that together. You're going to use 3 tablespoons of sharp cheddar, Colby, or you can even use mozzarella as long as it's 3 tablespoons. You're going to use half of a teaspoon of teriyaki sauce. You're going to use 3 tablespoons of sugar-free barbecue sauce of your choice, and you're going to blend all of that together. And you're going to use 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum. And you remember your xanthan gum, that's just your glue. That's going to allow you to stir your mixture up and then form it into thick sausages or thin hot dogs, or you can just make it into burgers. The mixture itself gives you a variety, and the xanthan gum gives you more variety because it allows what you're trying to form to stay in place. You're going to set your oven. You're going to set your not your oven. If you have a griddle, that's perfect. You can take your griddle, put maybe a tablespoon of oil on it, and then just grill your after you've made your sausages or your hot dogs. You can just put them on the griddle and just grill them on each side for maybe 4 or 5 minutes. If you're using an oven, take your pan, grease it with a tablespoon of oil or cooking spray, or olive oil, whatever you're using. And then you're going to put your sausages or put your hot dogs, put them in the pan. Set your oven for 375. Let them bake on both sides for maybe 10 minutes, and then you'll turn it over and let it bake for another 10 minutes, and then you should be good to go. And then serve it. I served it with caramelized onions. I used the same griddle. I put some oil on it. I cut up a couple of onions, and when you're caramelizing onions, it takes maybe about 10 to 12 minutes. And I actually didn't have enough onions, so maybe you go in with maybe 4 onions and let them caramelize, and let them go slow. Turn your stove down low, and then just go with that. And so I served it. I served it with a teriyaki cheese egg. I'll bring you that recipe. If not today, definitely tomorrow. Okay, you know how we ended humanity. I'm gonna go and get it and then bring it back to you.